Hello.
Hello.
Yes. We have to start from question number 15, right? Yesterday we have completed till 14.
Yes.
Okay, what is the question you see? A contract on construction job specifies a penalty for delay a completion beyond a certain date as follows. Okay, 200 for the first day, 250 for the second day, 300 for the Thursday. Means what? A contractor a contract
Uh,
for construction is specified job penalty. If he delay for one day, then the penalty is 200. And the next day, the penalty becomes 250. And the next day, the penalty will increase by 50 rupees each day. Okay, this is the question. The penalty for each succeeding day being rupees 50 more than for the preceding day. How much money the contractor has to pay as penalty if he has delayed the work for 30 days. Do you understand the question?
yeah.
So we
So
can write this one as an AP.
uh, AP is equal to 200, 250, 300, and then in the question D is given as 50, and then if it's word digit for 30 days, it will be A plus 2090. So D is 50.
Okay, I'll just write
140.
AP and leave it this question to you. You just do it and tell me how much penalty the contractor has to pay. The given information also I will write. A value is 200 and the difference is second term minus first term, that is 50. Okay, and N value is 30 days. Just replace all these values.
1650.
No, certain amount is there. Which formula used? This formula we have to use. Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Replace all the values here in this and get the answer. That's it.
Okay, 1 minute.
Whatever the situation is given, we have to frame in AP form. Then we will get the answer.
Is it 27750?
That's it. Exactly. So the contractor has to pay 27,750 rupees as a penalty if he delay the work for 30 days. That's yeah, end of this question. Now next question you see, a sum of rupees 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prizes to the student of a school for their overall academic performance. If each prize is rupees 20 less than its preceding price, find the value of each of the prize. Okay, so what happened? Uh, this amount 700 is to be given for 7 students as a cash prize. Suppose first student, let we start our solution. Let the price, suppose the first price of the student will be, if you take as X, then second cash prize will be 20 less than, means from X we have to subtract 20. and then from 40, and then like that it is from 60. First cash price rupees 20 less than, next cash price from the second price again rupees 20 less than. So in this way the money should be distributed, and here the n value is 7. N value is 7. So cash 7 students we have to distribute. So now you see I want to write this one also again in AP form. The first term is x. We don't know x value. We have to find out the common difference. We know that common difference will be second term is this one minus first term. Means this x will be cancelled. The common difference is minus 20. Okay, and Sn value also we know. How much prize money is there? 700. So all this information we have to put in our formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Because it is x value, so let me do it. Sn value is 700 here. N value, we know already it is for 7 students. 7 by 2. 2 into a value is x here. X plus again n value is 7. 7 minus 1 into the common difference is minus 20. So then it is 700 as it is. This 7 by 2 if you take this side becomes reciprocal. 2 by 7 is equal to here 2x. 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 means 6 into 120 is 120.
Minus 2.
Minus 120. 7 ones are 7 100. This is 100 into 2 is equal to, here we take 2 common. Then x minus, if you take 2 common, 60 left off. This 2 and this 2 must be cancelled. 100 is equal to, or a minus 2 becomes plus 60 is equal to 100. Then first cash price we will get the value, that is 160 rupees. If first cash price is 160, then second cash price will be 60 less than. 60 less than means 20 less than means second cash price is 120. Third cash price is 120.
120.
Then 100. Then 80. Then 60. Then 40. This is the cash prize money distributed to 7 students. That is the end of this question number 16. Okay. Okay. Move on to the question number 17. 17 question is lengthy question. In a school, students thought of planting trees in around the school and a school to reduce air pollution. It was decided that the number of trees that मैं काम करता हूँ क्वेश्चन को roughly explain कर देता हूँ आपको. What happened here? Students are decided to plant the trees. Okay, plant the trees in and around the school. So what is the planning here? That each section of each class will be the same as the class. Means class 1. If class 1 students are there, they should plant 1 tree. Similarly, class 2 students plant 2 trees, and class 3 students plant 3 trees. Like this, class 3. Once again. Similarly, how many classes are there?
12.
12 classes are there, and there are 3 sections, right? 3 sections in each class. So like that, if you continue, there are class 12. Class 12 has to plant 12 trees, and each class have 3 sections, that is multiply by 3, means it is 3. It is also multiply by 3, you will get answer is 6. This is also multiply by 3, you will get the answer 12. It is also multiply by 3, you will get the answer is 36. Now if it is continuing, you will get a arithmetic progression here. How the arithmetic progression will be? Very easy. You see, first term will
3,
be
6, 9.
very good, 3, 6,
6,
9,
9.
and it is continuing up to 36. Okay, the informations are given very easy. So a value is 3. You have to do it this one. Common difference 6 minus 3 is again 3, and number of classes are 12, and an value is that is 36. Last term is there 36. Just put in this formula and tell me the answer.
We can use A plus L, right?
Exactly. A plus L we have to use. Now just put it in the formula and get the answer. How many plants are there?
Is it 711?
No. How 711? 12 by 2 into A plus L. A is 3.
Oh, it's 12.
Last term is 36.
Okay. Uh, 468.
No. Here only I will solve it. See, 12 by 2 is 6 into 39. How much? 39.
234.
That's it. 234 plants they have to plant in and around the school. That's it. So you write the answer, 234 plants. Now next question is, a spiral is made up of successive semicircles. So like that, first semicircle is like that. Yeah, first semicircle. Then again a semicircle. Then again a semicircle. The question, what is that? Which centers alternatively A and B? Suppose this is the center. Okay. Starting with center A, the radii of 0.5 centimeter. First semicircle, if it is a semicircle now, first radii is 0.5. Then next radius. Radius of this circle is 1 centimeter. Similarly, another semicircle we are getting, that is again how much 1.5. As shown in the figure, what is the total length of each of such a spiral made up of 13 consecutive semicircles? So there are 13 consecutive semicircles. Very easy, n value is 13. First of all, you should know what is the formula of perimeter of circle.
Pi r.
Yes, perimeter of circle. Formula is pi into r. So this one again we have to get a progression form. Pi r will form a AP. First circle ka, first of all, pi into first radius is 0.5, means it is 0.5 pi is for first semicircle. Next 1 into pi is pi. Next, if you continue, 1.5 pi, and then it is continuing. It is continuing. We will take this one as a AP form again. First term will be taken as 0.5 into pi, the common difference, second term minus first term, means from 1 pi, if you subtract, it is not m, it is pi. From 1 pi, if you subtract 0.55, 1 half, 1 minus half means you will get half only. Half pi is the value of d. Okay, n is already 13. We have to substitute in this formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now s already 13 is there. 13. This is 13 divided by 2 into 2a. 2 into a value is 0.5 into pi plus n minus 1. It is 13 minus 1 into common difference will be again 0.5 into pi. This is equal to 13 divided by 2 into 0.5 into 2. How much? It's pi only, no?
1 pi.
1 pi
1 pi.
plus. This is 13 minus 1 is 12. 12 into 0.5 is 6 pi.
6 pi.
This is 13 divided by 2. 6 pi plus pi, it becomes what? 7 pi.
7 pi.
In our question, it is given to use pi value as 22 by 7. So just substitute. Pi value is 22 by 7. This 7 cancel. 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 ones are cancel. It is 13 into 11. That is equal to, if you multiply 13 into 11, we are getting 143 centimeter. So spiral consecutive. How much centimeter का spiral बनेगा?
143.
143 centimeter. This is the question. Number 19, we have to move. Question number 19. 200 locks are. Can you read the question? Here, little confusion. 200.
200 logs is stacked in a following manner. 20 logs in the bottom row, 19 in the next row, 18 in the next row, and so on.
Okay.
And how many rows are 200 logs placed and how many logs are in the top row?
That's it. Means first row is 20 locks are there. Next row is 19. Next is 18. Okay. In this way, the locks are there. First, we have to write this one again in a AP form. Look at first row is 200 locks, 20 locks. Next row 19 locks. Next row 18 locks, and next row 17 up to 200. So then total 200. Sorry, a total 200 locks are there. Now if you take as a AP form, first term is 20. The difference is second term minus first term. That is again minus 1. The difference is minus 1. And already we know that Sn value is 200. We have to show how many locks are there. So we use the formula Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn already it is given as 200. It is equal to n by 2 as it is, because we have to find out n value. 2 into a value is 220 plus n we have to find out. So write down as it is, and then difference is minus 1. We multiply this one this side. 200 2s are 400 is equal to n into, this is 40, and n multiply with minus 1. We have to multiply this one with this. It's a minus 1, not minus 1, n minus into minus plus 1. This is 400 is equal to, it is n into 40 plus 1 is 41 minus n. Now this n will be multiplying with this 41 and with this n also. So here I am continuing. 400 is equal to, let's say 41n minus n square, right? Take this value and this value that side. This is 400 minus 41n plus n square is equal to 0. We should write in a order and you will get a quadratic expression. We have to find out their possible factors. 41n plus 400. Now 400 factor out to get 41, 400n square. The possible factors to get 41 is, we write 16n and 25n. 16 into 25 is 400, and if you add these two values you will get 41. This is minus 16n minus 25n plus 400 equal to 0. What common? N common. N minus 16 and then minus 25 common. N minus 16 again is equal to 0. So take n minus 16 common. So we are left with n minus 25. N minus 25 is equal to 0. So we are getting two values of n. N is equal to 16, we are getting one case. And n is equal to 25, we are getting two cases. But out of these two, any one value is possible. We have to check which value is possible. If you take n is equal to 16, n is equal to 16 was first case we are taking, n is equal to 16. We substitute in our formula, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So there are, a value already is 20 plus n is 16. 16 minus 1 is 15 into d value is minus 1. So this is 20 minus 15. So there are 5 logs in a bottom row. This is one possibility. If you take n is equal to 16, okay, if you take n is equal to 16 rows are there, and bottom row you will get, top row you will get 5 logs. एक possibility. Case 2. If you take n is equal to 25, n is equal to 25, again you substitute in this formula, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Already a value is, we know it is 20 plus 25 minus 1 is 24 into d value is minus 1. This is 20 minus 24. 20 minus 24 is what? Minus 4.
Minus 4.
Minus 4 logs, how is that possible? It's not possible,
Not
no?
possible.
So then n
Yeah.
is equal to, so we write the answer is, there are 16 rows are possible and the top row will have only 5 logs. That you write the answers in your words. That is finished of the question number 19. Moving to the question number 16, it is little interesting question. In a potato race, a bucket is placed. You try to understand the question. मैं यहाँ पे एक figure उतार रहा हूँ देखिए आपको समझने के लिए. Suppose it is a bucket, okay? One potato is here. One potato is here. One potato is here. Like that, there are some 10 potatoes are placed. Because it is a lengthy question, I don't want to read the question. And the distance between these two. First row distance, here distance is 5 meter. Here distance is 3 meter. This distance is also 3 meter. And then 3 meter continue. What we have to do, a racer has to pick up this potato and keep it in this bucket. Then again he has to go from, अभी देखिए मैं अपने वर्ड्स में समझाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ क्वेश्चन को. ये रेसर वी हैव टू पिक दिस, ये पोटैटो उठा के इसको ये बकेट में यहाँ तक पहले इसको दौड़ के आना है, ये पोटैटो को पिकअप करना है,
Yeah.
फिर से बकेट में डाल देना है। ओके, फिर यहाँ से यहाँ तक रेस करके आना है, ये पोटैटो को पिक करना है, फिर से बकेट में डालना है, फिर यहाँ से यहाँ तक रेस करके आना है, पोटैटो को पिक करना है, फिर से बकेट में डालना है। ये प्रोसेस कंटिन्यू हो रहा है। वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट हाउ मच डिस्टेंस द रेसर कवर। ठीक है, अंडरस्टैंड द क्वेश्चन?
Yeah.
Now, first, what we have to do, again, we have to get the situation. We have to see the situation in a AP form. So the question I want to write, I want to convert into AP form. First of all, 5 meter distance. Then he covered from here to here. 5 plus 3 is 8 meter distance. Again, from here to here, from beginning to this place, 5 plus 8 plus 3, 11. So it is continuing like that. So the AP means the first term is, we know that it is 5, and their common difference is what? 8, right?
8.
And how many
No,
potatoes
not
are there? 8 minus 5, sorry. 8 minus 5, that is equal to 3. And how much potatoes are there? There are 10 potatoes.
8.
Now we use our formula, that is Sn is equal to n by 2. So sum of the distance we have to find out now. 2a plus n minus 1 into d.
N minus 1 into D.
This is equal to, already n value is there, 10. This is 10 divided by 2 into 2 into a. A is what? A is 5 plus 10 minus 1, because n is 10, and distance is, sorry, common difference is 3. 10 by 2 is 5 into this is 10 plus,
185.
yes. So how much distance it covers? Answer is
185
correct,
distance.
185. But 185 is not the answer now. You see, यहाँ से यहाँ तक तो डिस्टेंस 185 हो गया, मगर आप देखिए कि पोटैटो लेके फिर बकेट में डाल रहा हूँ, फिर से वापस आ रहा, फिर
No.
डबल डिस्टेंस कर रहा, मतलब 185 डिस्टेंस डबल हो रहा, मल्टीप्लाई बाई 2. The answer is what?
370.
370 meter distance he covered. Right? The racer has to cover 370 meter distance. So with this, we have completed successfully your full chapter progressions. Okay, but I think I want to check you. एक एग्जाम लूंगा मैं, एक टेस्ट, आपको क्वेश्चन पेपर मैं आपको दे देता हूँ. I'll send you in WhatsApp group. You have to write that questions and you have to send me the photos. I will correct it. That is most probably on Monday. We have exam test. Then we start our new chapter. That is, you said trigonometry. Now we start trigonometry.
Yeah.
Right? Okay.
Yeah.
Then this class will be over. Thank you very much. Hmm.